Here's his range across the street right there.
Hmm?
17A.
Yeah, it's solid white on 17A. It's pouring.
See the cars go by. Close to that.
It's been pouring.
First bit of rain here.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
At the street?
I mean, it's pouring down at Mama's house.
Yeah, I see it.
That's what I used to do at the mill too. It was amazing. Half the mill be pouring down rain, the other part be in the sunshine. Rain is getting the rain. That's what I'm doing.
What is it? Big tree?
Still got the wind back.
Oh, yeah.
Crap. My God. It's like a hurricane. If anything goes rolling across the yard, I'll pick it up. You did.
I hope that tiki bar at the top, lay it on the side. Tiki bar top, lay it on the side. Yeah. You have to strap down. The bar stands straight up the top. The tiki bar, there's the top. Just lay it on the side. Well, you see now, it takes the slide over.
Hey, Chica. You scared? You scared?